Hi guys, JP here, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to go through all the modifications on my car and break down the costs. So if you're looking to modify a Mini or a Mini John Cooper Works or a Mini Cooper S F56, then hopefully I can break down the costs for you and tell you everything I've done to my car. Now, I think we shall start off with the exterior and then we'll go interior and then we will go for all the performance modifications that I've done with the car. Now, the car isn't like, it's not mental. Currently, it's a kind of a stage where it's modified enough, but not over the top where it looks like it's being crashed through Halfords. There are a few more things I still want to do, but anyway, me rambling on, let's get on with the prices. And also, please excuse, the car isn't the cleanest. In the UK, it keeps raining and then being sunny and then raining and sunny, and it's just a nightmare to kind of find a day where to clean it where it's not going to rain the next. Anyway, the list. Let's start off with the exterior. So first of all, as you can see, all the chrome for the car has gone. So we've got the front grille that was changed, so that was £65. We've got the belt tape up here, that was £15. We got the petrol cap and the door handles changed to black, that was £77. Front and rear light surrounds into black, that was £119. The rear boot into black, that was £60. These new LCI badges, there's one on the rear and one in the front. I really prefer the new LCI badges, but they were £65. So the total of all the Kill Chrome stuff, oh, also forgot to add this mini cover that kind of just extends into extends out of the mirror. That's £20. Also stuff I've also got from Kill Chrome. That's the website that provides all of the stuff that kills all chrome, but they also do other mini stuff. So I also got the rally lights. These things, these were £185. I fitted them myself. However, if you want these rally lights, beware, because unfortunately there's an added cost. If you have the LED lights, these they run on CAN bus, and if you want the spotlights to come on with the main beam that I needed to do, you need a CAN bus module, which costs £238. Also, Mini doesn't release the CAN bus diagram, electrical diagram, so the guy that did them had to go through every cable and work out which was which was another £238 on top of that for labour. So if you do want spotlights, they do look really good, however they're not cheap, and if you want to get them from a Mini dealership, they're nearly £1,400. Yeah, not cheap. And finally, from Kill Chrome, I also got these John Cooper Works exhaust tips in this carbon fibre finish. They look awesome. So the badges, everything that's blacked out, the spotlights on the front, and I think that's everything. So all the Kill Chrome kit, plus the spotlights, plus the exhaust tips, came to a grand total of £740. Now, if you use my discount, Adventures 10, you'll get 10% off, so that will go to £666. So you'll save yourself about, my maths is rubbish, about £74, so just a little tip. However, that does not include the CAN bus module that works with the main beams to get the spotlights on. Anyway, next item is my front splitter and side skirts. These are £135 each from Tripplecr Composites, as you can see. They're a really good website. Also, these things are pretty good quality. The only thing is they're starting to crack a little at the rear, but apart from that they are really nice, and they're, as I said, £135 each. The wheels, these are OZ Super Turismos. Now if you wanted to buy these brand new, they will be £1,450 for a set of 4, and they are the exact right size, so they should fit straight on. Now I got them second hand though, so I got them for £900 for all 4, and they are in really good nick. They may be quite dirty, but just ignore that fact. Anyway, shall we go on for the modifications? Now let's talk about all the performance upgrades I've done to the car. So the first thing I've done is this cold air intake slash induction kit from AirTech. It cost £300 from AirTech themselves. I got it for 170 from eBay, and it is in pretty good nick. What it does for performance, technically they say it adds like 5 to 10 horsepower, but for me personally it just sounds really good, and that's why you should have it. The next thing I can't show you is the mid box delete. I've done a separate video on that if you want to check it out on the channel, but that cost me £110. And then finally, for the performance of the car, I got myself a stage 1 tune to bring the car up from 230 to 290 horsepower, and that cost me £350 from DervTech, which is a custom map. I would highly recommend them. Finally, as we go round to the interior of the car, we have a few more things, and that first item is the JCW Pro gear selector or gear knob, whatever you want to call it. And the reason why I wanted it is because the original gear knob's a bit too high. This brings it down. It also has a really nice finish. This cost me £135. And then finally, Android Auto. I upgraded the entertainment system. It's not touchscreen, it's a module you add to the original screen, and now I have full Android Auto, and that was £210. So with all of that added up, the total comes to £4,150 for all the modifications on this car so far, which is quite expensive, really expensive. That could have been a deposit to a house. Oh well, smiles per gallon and all. But with my discount, that comes with the Kilo Chrome discount, and also quite a lot of items I did get discounts for. And also I didn't get everything brand new, so I spent roughly about £3,400 for everything. However, make sure you check out Kilo Chrome for your first modifications, in my opinion. And also the girl who runs it, Lauren, she's lovely. She also does all the mini runs in the UK. She's a great person, and I would highly recommend checking them out to get most of your modifications, for your first initial modifications before you go nuts, like removing all the chrome. And they have so many things, and if you use my discount code Adventures10 you get 10% off. However, there's like 100 different discount codes for 10%, so you don't have to use mine. But I just really like the company. I'm not being paid to say, guys, make sure you check them out. I just think they're really good, and as I say, the girl who runs it is great. Anyway, thanks for watching. Sorry that might have been quite a long-winded video. However, there was a lot of stuff to cover, and I didn't really know how to do it. I could have probably broken it down probably better, but I hope you kind of got a rough idea what you might want to do with your car, and hopefully it will make your Mini look fucking awesome, because they all look fucking awesome. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and I hope you have a great day.